are in the Home2 suites in Shenandoah in the Woodlands. I'm gonna take you on a little guided tour. So we just came in the front, and then right here immediately we've got freezer space, I believe. Down at the bottom, little basket, little shelf. And then above it, we have the refrigerator. Got lots of different shelf spacing, pockets to put whatever you need in it. Moving on, we've got lots of drawers. We've got utensils that you can use, can opener, spatula, knives, little, I think those are like plastic or silicone spoons you can use. Down here we've got bowls, lids, towels. At the bottom here, we've got a strainer and a toaster and like a cutting board, I believe. Up here, you've got your ice maker, your bowls, your plates, all of that fun stuff. Over here, we've got the microwave and the sink. And then let's see what's under the sink. Paper towels, soap, sponges, nice stuff to clean with. Over here, we've got a dishwasher. And then we have the coffee machine with a couple different things on that. You've got salt, pepper packets, and then up here you have all your cups. You've got mugs and cups and different size cups, which is pretty cool for whatever you need. Then we're gonna come in here. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Here's one of the lights. And then what's nice, I always love a homey feel, so I'm gonna turn on all the lights real quick. I like lamps as opposed to bright lights. It gives it a more homey feel. Okay, so now that I've turned them all on, I'm gonna go back. Oh, this one, there we go. I'm gonna go back to where we were at so I can show you guys everything. Okay. So right here, we have a desk and a desk chair. So I'm gonna pull out the chair because I think we've got a desk on wheels. Yeah, so this desk is pretty gigantic. I'm gonna see if I can back up so you can see all of it. So you've got a regular desk or counter space, and then you've got a pull out on top of that, which is pretty dang cool. And then that is the rolly chair. And then up here you've got some more storage space if you need it, and there's lots of outlets, so that's nice. We're gonna back up a little bit over here. We've got more storage space. They're like big and deep, which is nice for whenever you need to put all your things in. Over here in this side drawer, we've got all extra bedding, which is nice if you just need to do that real quick. We've got the TV, and we have more shelving, which is nice. You can never have too much shelving. You've got a lot more counter space. You've got the trash and the recycle. And then here's more storage space right here. There we go, we can see that now. More storage space. Over here, we've got closet space. We've got an iron. We have an ironing board, lots of hangers. And if you want it to make it feel like a real closet, they've got this little curtain that you can close and make it feel like a real closet. So that's nice. Over here, we've got all the lamps, the window, AC unit, all the fun stuff. Over here is the bed. It is a king size bedroom, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that at the beginning, but it is a king size bed suite. And if you come on over here, we've got the phone. We have more outlets right down there. And then here's your little area, your like living room basically. You've got a sofa. And then this is really cool. I love these, like the stacking thing. So you can pull this out all the way out there. Look at that. All of that room right there. So you got a lot of extra space if you need it. You got an ottoman you need to sit on, use for your feet, whatever. And then we're gonna come back up to the front. Let me turn the light on in here. So we've got the bathroom, we've got lots of towels and washcloths and all the fun things. We've got Kleenex. Over here we got a bar of soap. Here's the toilet, and then let's see what we got in here. All right, over here is the shower. So you've got a guardrail, which is really nice. If you have any sort of like handicap, that makes it a lot easier. They have shampoo and shower gel on the wall, so complimentary. And that is the tour of Home2 Suite Shenandoah in the Woodlands. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.